Hey guys, in today's vlog I'm wearing gloves right now. We're in my backyard, of course. And then so this, you know that balance board I bought? This in the store, it looked like that there was just thing, like a kid drawed on it, and that's why it ended up in there. But it actually has bigger problems. So today we're gonna take it apart. Look at that, I can't even close properly. That's how much corrosion it has. Come on, you just, okay, good. Yeah, that's how much corrosion it has, so we just need to, so I'm gonna come to this side here. Sorry if blocking the shots. You gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, what we got to do? We got that, Q-tips, and yeah. Alright, so where to start? Okay, so pro tip, Cool1988 Gamer if you need any help. And subscribe for a kiss. Bro, come on. Come on. Elton John, I believe in you. Or Eminem, or whatever. Alright, just stir it. Meow, 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 meow. Alright, so. Alright. Just get all the sheet off. Hopefully my neighbors don't come out. Find out, oh, stupid gimbal. Look at that filth. Alright, we need to bring in the big guns. Try not to show any addresses or whatever. Because you wouldn't, no one would like that. So we got the paper towel now. They think I'm too young to be doing this, but so who cares? I'll just tell my parents it's just a science experiment. Speed! I'm using this on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and yeah. Okay. Anywhere, ladies and gentlemen. I also have one of my dog's towels here. I hope he doesn't mind me using it. I don't think it will. You'll know if he comes. You'll know if I don't make a video in a year. How much? I can't get the shots. That's it. I know I should have just stuck to the iPhone. Should have just gotten a. What do you call it? A GoPro instead and grab one of those strap things for a job like this. Stupid piece of. Hopefully my neighbors don't come out. Alright, then we just need a scrubby. I'm gonna let this video go for 10 minutes. And then, yeah, I'll just do this off camera and stuff. I'm not doing any cuts or anything, or maybe I'll do a part 2 on the iPhone. Oh, fuck, it's stuck. Okay, Tiny Dancer. The real Slim Shady. Okay, that's it. We need the professionals here. Okay, I got paper towel. I'm ready to begin this operation. Dang, these batteries are stuck. know what I'm gonna do to this bit here. Make sure I don't step into any landmines. We're gonna go in here. Looks like it's about to rain soon. Let's there's a greenhouse there. Come on, stupid gimbal. I hate you. Alright, now we're just gonna... You're not gonna see any of this bit here because, you know. Alright. Okay, don't get that DJI wet, because that's not a non-replaceable. Okay, go learn English, okay? Alright guys, now that I've done that, did you like watching the birds or whatever? We just, stupid gimbal, I hate this thing. I hate you. Just need to brush it off. Watch out for any landmines. It's like also like 4 o'clock right now, so hopefully none of my supplies blowed away. Sorry for the terrible cameraing job. I should just probably not document this. Alright, now we're gonna go. Now we're gonna go in for a operation. Okay, good. Alright, tighten up the glove. Would be really helpful if I had a cameraman, you know? Any volunteers? No? Okay, it's fine. You'll just have to watch poor camera quality videos then. So, the neighbors are suspecting on me. Alright guys, I'm just gonna have to maybe wrap this video up because, you know, and I'll do some of this off camera here. So without further